you just doubt anything, the nurse will be the one, ask the nurse. If this is fine, she has some fever like this. So the nurse will double check. Anyway, CI is there.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, ako pala si Joy Fureldo OFW. Kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, pakiclick lang yung bell notification para ma-notify kayo sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Tadawi para mag-orientation para sa OJT po namin. Ayan po, ang nagsasalita po ay si Ma'am Mercy. Siya po yung nag-explain at saka pinapaliwanag niya po kung saan po yung bawat lugar ng mga obigaini, yan, TNT, dental, lahat po pinapaliwanag niya po. Ayan po yung mga klasiko at yung ibang batch po. Maraming salamat sa inyong support sa panonood sa aking mga videos, guys. Ayan, panoorin nyo lang po yung aking videos. Medyo mahaba-haba po ito kasi ang haba po ng ini-explain po sa amin para sa OJT namin. Ayan. Bali, 4 na floor po siya, kaya medyo hindi po kami kasi sa elevator, kaya naglakad-ala po kami sa hagdanan. Ayan po, guys. Panoorin nyo na lang po. Thank you very much, guys. Ayan, bye-bye.
Everything they will ask you to get, it is here. Maybe your handler will ask you to get the secret of one patient, anyway you will be the one to take the patient itself. But something files like this, it's a big file. You can have file. All the ones working here are all Saudi, but they can communicate with you with English.
English.
Medical record. Can you go there?
Medical record.
Oo.
Medical.
Ito medical record, ha?
Dito na yung mga pasyente nyo, dito na
Yes.
kasi
Take everything there. Anyway, we're just starting, so everything.
dito, di ba? Ikaw kasi gawin, maliwalas.
Phlebotomy area.
Dito yung laboratory.
Who is the volunteer here? The 3 volunteers. Who will now, they're raising his mom and her. They're, no, the 3 volunteers. They are raising her. This is Israel, ha? She's working
Fine.
in infection control with Dr. Musa. She is responsible to check everything. That's why I'm telling you, nothing to be in the floor. If you are cleaning the bedding, whatever it should be. Now there is will be 3 already there. So phlebotomies are in here. We have 3 phlebotomies.
Ano ba?
Now it is in the second floor, and you will see where it is. Okay? And this is the lift. CSSD will be here. CSSD where you can get the sterile things will be here. If it is dirty, it will be in the other side. I will show it to you. Here, the already sterilized.
It's already clear.
Yeah. Because they might go down and if you are sending anything, it will be here. The dirty instrument. Yeah, don't bring the instrument without in the container. Okay, and make sure also the instrument is with spray with the pre-cleans. We call this one pre-clean. Don't touch. No washing of instruments. You're not allowed. They can bring, but you cannot touch the things. Can we go to emergency department? Physiotherapy is here also. This is the biomed area. This is the laundry. Maybe they will ask you to get some linens.
Ano?
This is the area. Okay.
Mainit? Mabanda pa ako. Wow.
Our linen.
Ah, okay.
Aga. Please. Hello. Okay. They are the one responsible here, huh? Okay. They are the one responsible here. Okay.
Hello.
We will teach this area also. And that one from the other side, that is biomed. Ayan, biomed. Anyway, you're not going there, but I want to give it to you. The main door will be here.
Ha?
The name. In this area, mortuary is the next. Then some records will be in the other side also. One there.
Hello, how are you guys?
Fine, sir.
Welcome. Wow, GCI?
Bedside. This is their medication room. If you will be assigned in ER. Ma'am Gayatri. This is Ma'am Gayatri, who is our deputy. Charge here also, huh? Ma'am Gayatri.
Hello, how are you?
Malin, huh? This is the female. Okay, and this is the procedure room where we are doing the dressing. The one who will be assigned here, you should know. This is the procedure room. There's the station. Our reception for the money. For the money. This one. Without this, patient will not go. And the one who is sitting handsome man there, very handsome, he is my paramedic. Okay, hi doctor. Paramedic. And this is our trauma. This is the patient. Trauma. The patient, he, that arresting. RTA, whatever it is, which is critical, will be here. We have 2 beds. Okay? Now we will go to the critical area, second floor. And this is the reception, our doctor. Assalamualaikum, doctor. This is the doctor. Huh? So the one who will assign should know the area.
Kaway. Ibang kaway yung
This one, the negative pressure, daily we are checking because in ER, anytime patient will come. So, daily checking. But in the ward, the inpatient will be, if no patient, once a week. If there is patient, daily we are checking. And the things the one inside, there is an anteroom and another room inside. Hindi tayo magkakasa sa elevator.
Hello.
Dental is separated. We have 8 rooms. 8 rooms. Mabalat. Kanya nagbupas tamay niya, ha? Tamay 8 rooms separated. They have their own head nurse. And the one who will assign in dental will be here. Okay. This is the dental. This area is a dental. Salaya. Okay. This is the panorama room. Panorama means they will take the all lot of patient that one cannot. But I know, I saw Dr. Walid is very happy. Since you know them, huh? Dr. Walid.
Dr. Walid yung kausap ko kanina rin.
The other area is pediatric and IM. Dr. Hashim. He is my doctor also.
Hello, doctor. How are you?
This area also is another thing. All OPD patients will be taken the blood here. And also ER, if it's not urgent, we are sending. But If it is urgent, it should be down.
Okay.
Reception for that? OPD. This area is an OPD for children, for pedia, and OB. ENT, Opta. Naku, salamat. Napagod na ako. How are you, girl? No patient? Thank you. Here, ENT, Opta, cardio.
Cardio.
That area, huh? And of course, the one who's smiling there, dental.
That's all.
And this is a reception. Here we will go up with a... Anyway, she offered. This is... Ma'am, ICU. This is ICU. Intensive care unit. This is Ma'am Zainab, who is the head nurse in critical area ICU. For this area. Ma'am, can you hear me just to see inside? One. Lala mo to, yan not allowed.
Ah.
There is 13 beds here.
Masarap daw sila.
Yan, you come inside. We have one isolation room here.
Ah, isolation.
Okay? If they will ask for the nurse is coming here to do ABG, we have machine there. We have private isolation, 2 CCU bed, and 2 pediatric bed. Who will work here? I said to you that you will be always with the nurse.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
ICU.
I see.
That area, this area is called
Pwede niyo i-open yung door para makita niyo.
Sila, dito kami dati. ABC. Zero class.
is busy.
Hindi pa kami.
Busy? Mama Orjana.
Short term.
Where Orjana? Okay. These are we have 4 beds here. Okay? Wala. If the patient is going to OR, in this elevator, they're using this area. This one, our old doctor. Now, there's the pharmacy are the one who take this area, because they are teaching the things there. If they will ask you to go to the pharmacy, Ma'am Glenda has 4 floors. Okay?
Second floor, right?
Second. Laki pala.
After the pharmacy will be transferred, they will use, I think, they will fix that area as the LDR. In the meantime, we are using the DR here, huh? And get inside, is the NICU. NICU. The well baby and the NICU patient will be here. Okay, there is also isolation room there, huh? Okay, let's go to third floor. The admission area, the admission office, and this is Ma'am Gina, it is your head nurse.
Hello.
Welcome. This area is called OB. OB, huh? This area for OB surgery. Okay? This is the head in MDR. Sabi ko na kanina, Jyoti will be in charge here. But the overall is Ma'am Hina, third and fourth. That's what I said. This is for OB. This is pediatric. And bariatric patient will be here also. It's all mixed. VIP, the room is very beautiful. This is the head, Mr. Ahmad, huh?
Hello.
Manag. This one. huh?
Hello, sir.
So, if you need something for admission, it's here. Assalamualaikum.
Admission discharge office.
They are all training for our nursing assistant.
Next.
Hello.
Okay. This is our fourth floor. This is the step down. All step down. What I mean, a step down from ICU that the patient will just take care only just to continue the hospitalization. Usually military patient. It will be here. This is the male and that is a female. The other area is the surgery. A patient, we have no rooms down, surgery will be there. And that is Dr. Gula. Okay? And this is my sub-store. Your classmate is here. I will introduce to you, Ma'am Brenda, your classmate.
Hello.
Here. So this is the male area, and physiotherapy will be there. Boss, your physio, you will work there. In that area, huh? This is the female side. Okay? Anything that they need, they will ask you to get, will be here.
Okay,
Ma'am
charges
Brenda. And these are my dearest nurses here.
Hello.
Okay. In fifth floor, I will not pin you there anymore. Infection control will be there. The head, their office is there. The mudir, for the billing also, everything. That is like an office in the fourth floor. And luckily, we don't have big conference room here, but they will provide. They have a good plan for this hospital. Inshallah, enjoy your life, enjoy your work, be friendly, and do your job.
Yes, ma'am.
Know your limit, and we will teach you everything.
Okay, inshallah. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Nice meeting you all.
Thank you.
Nice picture. So, anyway, Ma'am Ganda, I will tell you everything about you. Separate. So, tomorrow, maybe you will start, be ready. We will discuss about your uniform.
Okay.
Just to be ready tomorrow to discuss your uniform, huh?
Okay.
What uniform that you have, because cannot be the nurse and the nursing aide will be the same uniform. And as what I tie your hair, no hairs going down like this. Oh, I don't care you have red hair. I don't care you have violet hair, blue hair. As long you will over, huh? And tie.
Okay.
Don't change your color. Nice to you. Only you just this one. Did you meet Dr. Rusa? Yes.
Not yet, at 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Are you okay with 1 o'clock? You don't have work today?
He's still in the car.
Doctor, this is our dear doctor, huh?
Doktor po.
Doctor, they are our nursing.
Meron akong nurse staff.
Yeah.
Ay, ano yung sa dati? Ang white na